I made $126 in 1 hour promoting this Clickbank product with free traffic. In this video, learn how I made $126 in 1 hour promoting Clickbank product with free traffic and how you can copy this method too. And if you're first time here guys, do subscribe my channel to convert your affiliate offer where I'm uploading the videos on Monday and Thursday. And if you want to make money online guys and working from your home, taking as a side hustle guys, looking for a side hustle, this is the channel you have to subscribe guys, because I am using affiliate marketing model to make money online working from home. And if you're looking easy way of making money online from your home guys, click the link in the description and it will help you to start your own automated business even with a tight budget. With that said guys, let's dive in. Recently guys, I promoted this offer called Perpetual Income 365 Blockbuster Home Business in the e-market and e-business of Clickbank Marketplace, which is a new offer guys. And here you can see the stat. I bought 878 hops in this guys and I made the initial sale of $126 with 89 cents. Within the first hour of promoting this offer with my free traffic guys, I made $126 with 89 cents. If you want to understand this guys, watch this video till the end. Recently guys, I'm also promoting this offer from past 2 months, and that is the 12-minute affiliate system, which is an amazing system guys, which I also used and I made money with this. And here you can see this guys, I made $3,263 as an initial sales guys, and I made the upsell of $2,136 guys. Now you have to understand this guys, how I promoted this. I created a simple funnel guys. It's very simple, a beginner friendly funnel guys, where I created a landing page guys. In this landing page guys, I am collecting the emails and then I am sending them to a thank you page, and then it's going to the offer. It's going to 12-minute affiliate system, which is in a webinar. If the people is going to buy guys, I make the commission. If they don't buy guys, I have their email, which is going to my autoresponder, which I'm going to show you in a second. And then guys, I am sending them the email sequence. Email 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that guys, I'm going to send the emails to them. So this is the bridge page guys. The moment they will put the email here to watch the webinar guys, the email will be collected in my email list. Here you can see this 12-minute affiliate system Facebook ad. Right now I'm using Facebook ad more because I am seeing a lot of good conversion here. 11,189 email I have collected here guys by promoting this offer. What I did here guys, I promoted Perpetual Income 365 with this list guys, which I collected promoting this offer called the 12-minute affiliate system. So this is the power of list building guys, email marketing with affiliate marketing. Any affiliate marketer do this guys. You promoted this offer, right, and you made the money guys here, right, close to $5,000, as well as you collected the email, which will be your asset guys. This is the power of email guys. This is the power of creating your own asset, right, and own traffic. This is owned by me guys, and this email I will keep with me and I will build the relationship with them. I will nurture this list guys, and I will provide a lot of values, as well as I can promote different make money online offers here. So whereas guys, other marketer will go and promote a new offer with ads, paid ads, I will come over here guys, I will use this email and I will make the money with it guys. To do this guys, what you have to do is right here, you can see this affiliate page. Click this page guys, and here this is the JV page. And here you can see this guys, they are providing you email swipe. Any affiliate product guys is going to provide you email swipe. Go and do your research guys. Any marketplace, Clickbank, JVZoo, Wordle Plus, because email convert still better guys. These are the email swipe, right? It's a free and own traffic. So what I did guys, I picked this all email guys and I set up my own email autoresponder. Look at this autoresponder guys. Look at this all autoresponder. Till now I set up only 4 emails, and here you can see this guys. This is the email which made me $129 guys promoting that offer, and I have an email list of 11,189, from which guys only 10,989 emails are delivered, because some of the email will go here and there because those are like crap emails. And from that only in the first 1 hour guys, only 6 or 7% people has opened my email. Okay, this is open rate. That means how many people are opening my emails. This is just in the first 1 hour. And only from there, guys, only 4%, nearby 4% people has opened the email and they click the link which I have given promoting this particular offer, right? With that, I got, right, 878 hops, guys, and $126. Still, there are 3 more emails to go, guys. And when people is going to open all this, right, email, guys, open rate will go up, the click rate will go up, guys. This is the first hour I got this much of open rate. As this will go up, guys, I'll make more money with it, with my own traffic. And if I open, let me show you here I name the autoresponder, guys. People are making money self quarantine, and this is the subject line which is given by this vendor to me, right? I use this, people are making money self quarantine, and I use this subject line here, and this is the list, guys, which I collected, and right now I'm promoting the same product to this list. And this is the email here, you can see. So this is the email here, guys. Just copy and paste. You can also say that I copy and pasted and I made $129, guys. You can say that also. Just simple, guys. This how you make money with the email, right? So this is very, very simple. And if you don't know how to set up this autoresponder, guys, go to my YouTube channel, guys. Here in the playlist, go to Clickbank and Facebook ad series, and if you click this, guys, I already made the video here, guys. Here in the bottom you can see this, guys, how to promote Clickbank product without a website, step-by-step email autoresponder. So here, in watching this complete playlist as well as this 2 videos, you can learn more about how to set up the email sequence like this. It's just very, very simple, guys. Now I'm going to set up more emails, guys, like this. Not only this sales emails, guys, because most of these email swipes are sales pitch. I'm also going to add some of my more emails, just providing the free values. That's how you build the relationship with your new list. And this is how, guys, I can promote any offer of Clickbank in future, or make money online offers of Clickbank or any marketplace with my own traffic, guys. So if you want to build this kinds of email list, guys, then just what you have to do is watch this video, guys, build your email list, because here I showed you how I made 10,000 emails. It's a very, very simple method, guys. It's a completely beginner friendly, and anybody can collect the emails, guys. And there is a lot of importance of collecting the email list, guys, building the email list in affiliate marketing, which I showed you. If you like this method, guys, give the thumbs up to this video, guys, and do subscribe my channel so that I can show you more proof, and you must take action on these strategies, guys. If you want to know anything more about this strategy, guys, let me know in the comment. Hope you like this, guys, and hope you take the action. Thank you. Now watch these 2 videos, guys, immediately to learn list building as well as setting up the email autoresponder, guys.